Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable expense categorization in Xero for accurate tax reporting. To enable expense categorization in Xero for accurate tax reporting, start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to your dashboard, where you will see your financial overview. From the dashboard, click on the Accounting tab located in the main menu. In the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. Here, you will view all existing accounts. To add a new expense category, click the Add Account button. Fill in the required fields, including the account type and name. For accurate tracking, choose Expense as the account type. Next, set the appropriate tax rate for this account. Once all fields are completed, click Save. Now, return to the dashboard and navigate to the Business tab. From there, select Bills to Pay. Click on New Bill to create an expense entry. In the expense entry form, fill in the details of the bill. Make sure to select the correct expense account from the drop-down menu. This categorization ensures the costs are tracked accurately for tax reporting. Continue filling out the required information and click Save. To review your expense categorization, go back to the Accounting tab. This time, select Reports. Choose the tax report to generate a summary of expenses. Check that all expenses are categorized correctly in this report. Adjust any categorizations as necessary for accuracy. Having enabled expense categorization, you are now ready for more precise tax reporting. Repeat these steps as needed for all types of expenses. This method ensures your financial records are organized and compliant with tax regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.